Download Mandalion Chinese, use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.
Let's take a look at the question word, Shéi. Shéi means who. When asking questions in Mandarin, the question word is usually placed at the end of the sentence. Similarly, to form a Shéi question, it starts first with the subject that you are asking about, followed by 是, is, am, or are, and finally, Shéi. For example, 他是谁? Notice that the character 他 has the female radical, so this 他 means she or her. 她是谁 directly translates as she is who, which essentially means who is she? To reply, use the same sentence structure as the question. Start with the subject. In this case, the subject remains as 她 or she because they are talking about someone else. This is followed with 是, and then the question word 谁 is replaced with the answer. Because it is a who question, the answer should be a person's name or title. 她是谁? Who is she? 她是安美. She is Amy.
Download Mandalion Chinese, use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.